Welcome to Palazzo. This is the biggest standard room on the strip, 720 square feet. So this is a studio. We have separate master bedroom and we have living room, and it's really huge. At this studio we have a lot of places to sit. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So this standard room, perfect for party. I love it because we have a lot of space here. So here we have dining table, 2 TVs, king bed with 2 nightstand, and we have this big couch for party, and we have working station. So what's more, we have closet and we have beautiful bathroom. Let's check it. And look at this giant bathroom. I love it because we have separate shower, we have separate bathtub, we have 2 sinks, we have makeup station, and we have separate restroom. It's really cool. What's more, we have TV.
The Palazzo opened its doors in 2007. It was an addition to Venetian. So as you already know, it's one of the biggest rooms on the strip. But not only. At the moment when the hotel was completed, the whole Venetian and Palazzo combined as a resort became the largest hotel resort in the world. Not anymore, it's the second one, but still, it's huge.
So let's talk about new technology. This is a real high-tech hotel because we have automatically chairs, we have mini bar, and which surprised me, we have separate shell for champagne, so it's cool. And we have a USB charger on working station, and what's more, and all light automatically, you can control by your hand.
So we've seen so much here, now let's go and check the common grounds. It's beautiful.
Wait. So I love Palazzo.
Yeah, and I love the theme is Italy, so walking here it's amazing. Check out the shops. It's like you're walking somewhere in Venetian. Yeah, and what's very convenient that pool can be accessed directly from your elevator. So you don't have to go through casino. I always love it.
An elevator is so beautiful.
Yeah, everything's so beautiful.
So what I love about this place, it's a hard floor. You can roll your suitcase easily through the casino.
It's midnight as Cinderella comes back home.
And now let's check the dusty places. This guy probably clean or dirty. Let's check. Here is clean. Okay. And here is clean. Let's move TV stand. Oh wow, here is clean.
It's crystal clean.
Thumbs up. Palazzo. So let's check under the nightstand. Yeah, I know, it's clean, it's easy to clean. And let's check this guy. Oh, I found it. Look. We found some drugs. I don't recommend to try some drugs if you found somewhere in the room. It's dangerous. Let's check this out. A little bit dusty, but it's not bad. It's probably 1 or 2 days dust. Let's check TV. Usually TV is dusty, but this one is clean. It's not bad, Palazzo. You're doing great job about cleaning. Really good. Congrats. And here is a closet. Let's check. So, safe, 1 luggage stand, iron board and iron, and no bathroom. Probably you need to request it. So guys, if you are staying in Venetian, you can use as well pool in Palazzo. It's really cool, yes babe?
Yeah, it's really cool because you have like 10 different rooms to choose from.
Cool. This cabana, by reservation only, it costs $1,000 and up to 12 people. If you wanna rent cabana in Venetia, it costs twice more expensive.
There are so many pools at Palazzo, but what's interesting that they are in shade pretty much all the time. So till noon, all of them are in shade. So if you are like a person to get some suntan, it's probably better to do it in the afternoon. But I love them, they're so nice. We can use Venetian pools or we can use Palazzo Tower pools. So that's like
How many pools do we have here?
so 7 in Palazzo and 5 in Venetian. And there's also one more, like a small one, remember?
But Venetia more expensive than
Yeah,
Palazzo.
Venetian.
I mean, we are talking about cabanas.
Yes. So as always in Las Vegas, prices go up and down. But depending on a day, you will pay somewhere between 200 and maybe 500, 600 per the standard room. It's not bad.
So guys, it's a great 5 stars hotel. I love this standard room, it's so big, you feel like in suite, it's so good, I love it. It's probably the most coolest standard room in Las Vegas. Thumbs up, everything is clean, great pools and great atmosphere. You like in Italy, buongiorno, monsieur. So guys, what do you think about this standard room? Leave a comment below and subscribe to our channel and see you next video.